The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Dallas County in north-central Texas until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:14 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Dallas Love Field, or near Cockrell Hill, moving northeast at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Dallas, Irving, Highland Park, and Dallas Love Field around 4:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. University Park around 4:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include White Rock Lake. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35 E between mile markers 424 and 444. Interstate 30 between mile markers 39 and 55. Interstate 45 between mile markers 279 and 284. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.